Welcome to the demo of the MoSaiC tool. You see here the screen where we're logged in as user Nelly. The first screen we see is document coordination screen with a list of the available mashups on the left. I click on the MoSaiC paper mashup, and to the right you can see the contents and structure, how this mashup is. It consists of several parts, and I can click on one part and see a contribution down there, the abstract part, and can be viewed in detail down here. And here is the detailed view of the contribution. On the right here you can see the whole mashup, which consists of several chapters, images, and on top there are always noted the contributions which add to the mashup. In this tab you can see the participants which contribute to this mashup and their assignments which they have to fulfill, and in brackets you can always see the state of this particular contribution. So click on Write Abstract, which is bound but not yet fulfilled, and down here you can see you can push the request button to request it. The next view here is the rules, the collaboration rules, which define what happens when a certain event is processed. So we change to the contribution editing view and note that we're now logged in as a different user who has already agreed to do certain tasks. On the left you can see what he already did and what he has still to do. And here you can see this has already been contributed, and you could modify it and update it via the update button. Now we switch back to the original coordination view, where we select the related work chapter which has not yet been contributed to the mashup, and we're going to request it from user Raphael. This is done using parameters. So we specify what has to be an input. So this is the whole mashup paper. And we'll specify here where the contribution is outputted to. So this is the related work part where this goes to. We select who is going to do this, and we've requested from the user. Now we'll switch back to user Raphael, and we can see this contribution has been requested. And I scroll down to accept this contribution. Now I have clearly stated that I will do this contribution. Now switching back again to the coordination view, you can now see it is bound, and we can immediately request the actual contribution. in the view of Raphael, which we're switching to right now, you can see the to-do is now signaling that we have work to do. And this red field now tells us where we can place our inputs. We do the contribution and click on reply. And now this updates the whole mashup. We can see the abstract also has to be done. We do the same, reply on our contribution, and it's been done. And now we can see the abstract as well as the related work now appear in the mashup.